In this video, I'll show you how to screen record on your MacBook Air M2. It's very easy. So there are multiple ways to open the screen record app. The first one is to go over here down onto your launchpad. You're going to click once. All your apps will be displayed this way. And all you have to do is to go into your others here and then find screenshot. Alternatively, you can simply, whatever you are, click on this small magnifying glass on the top right corner and type screen shot. And the first option here, you just need to click on it and it will open the app. That's the two ways. Now, how to use this? It's very intuitive. So you have the first option. If you click on it, it will capture the entire screen. This will be a screenshot. It won't record the screen. The second option is to capture a selected window. Right now, let me open a window over here. So if I choose this capture selected window, I can just select this particular window on my screen and take a picture of it. And finally, we have capture selected portion. If you click on this option, you'll be able to drag these corners to fit the exact place on the screen you want to take a screenshot, a picture. So let's say I just want this small part. Well, I just have to select this and press the return button on the keyboard. You're going to hear a sound and the screenshot preview will appear here and it will be saved. Now, where is it saved? To know where it's saved, you need to go into options here, tap on it, and here you'll have multiple options where this can be saved on your MacBook Air. It could be on the desktop, documents, whatever. You can even select a special folder where you want all your screenshot to go. Just have, let's say, click on documents here, new folder, screenshot, and everything will go into this folder. Every screenshot you do will go directly into that folder. To screen record what's on the screen of your MacBook Air, you'll have to select one of these options here. So the first one is to record the entire screen. So everything that is on the screen will get recorded on the video. And sometimes you don't want that. You don't want to show certain parts of the screen. So you're going to select record selected portions. And again, you're going to drag these corners exactly where you want. And you'll get other options if you want to screen record. So you're going to click these options and obviously you can select where you want them to be saved, but you can also put a timer here. Do you want it to be exactly when you press the return key, or do you want a small delay of 5 or 10 seconds? You can select this here. You can also select if you want the microphone of your MacBook Air to record at the same time as the screen is getting recorded. So if you're doing a tutorial, if you want to show and talk about what you're showing, well, you'll need to select MacBook Air microphone over here. If you have an external microphone, a USB mic, for example, you can select it. It will be showed right over there on top. All right, so when you're ready to start recording, all you have to do is to press the record button here or the return key on your keyboard. So I'll press the key, but you can also press there. And to know that you're recording, you'll go on the top right corner over here and gonna see this icon is a small circle with a square on it. This means that the screen is getting recorded at this moment. So everything I'm doing here, I'm moving stuff, I'm showing, let's say, something to somebody, all right, blah, blah, blah. It's gonna get recorded. Once you're done, to stop this recording, you're gonna click on the icon of the circle with the square on it. So I'll click once on it, and the screen recording will stop. You're gonna see a preview here, and it will save in the folder that you chose. In my case, it's in the folder I just created in my documents screenshot here, and the video will be right over here. To open it, just select it. You can press the space bar and it will play automatically. And here we go. It's the video I just recorded, blah, 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 blah. So this is it. I hope this was useful. Please leave a like, also a comment down below, and I will see you in the next one.